Hello guys, my name is Kate Gore and I work for the University of Arizona Cooperative Extension here in Gila County. This is going to be a 3-part series. This is video part 1. In this video, I will be providing you teen parenting tips to help you have influence over your teens, starting with practicing your own control. As a parent, by reducing your controlling behavior, you can improve your relationships with your teens. By improving the relationships you have with your teens, this will help you to have more influence over your teens' individual decisions. Now, reducing controlling behavior improves the relationship, making you the greater influence in your teen's life. Tip 1. Avoid the giving and taking back of stuff. Teens are young adults. This means you must communicate with them like a young adult. Ask yourself this: would this technique work on you now that you're an adult? Would this technique have worked with you when you were 16? Are you showing kindness and firmness while respecting your teen's autonomy and individuality? Tip 2. Provide a consequential environment. Make it known that in your household all actions have reactions, both positive and negative. Sometimes it is best to allow mistakes to be made and allow the logical consequences. After all, this is how we learn as adults: cause and effect. Tip 3. Listen and ask. These are the two of the best relationship builders. Ask curiosity questions. Show interest in things your teen is interested in, and truly listen to what they want to share with you. Try to remember what it was like to be a teen and how much it felt like your parents didn't understand you. Now, take the steps to ensure your teen doesn't feel that way. Make them feel like they can talk to you about anything, even if you don't understand. Allow your teen to teach you about the things they like, are experiencing, and beyond that. Tip 4. Remember what it was like when you were a teen. While we have mentioned this previously, really embrace this and try to change the things you didn't like in your interactions with adults when you were a teen. Listen, understand, educate yourself about the things important to your teen. Ask questions and show genuine care. Tip 5. Honor that keep out sign on the bedroom door, whether there's an actual physical sign or not. Bedrooms and personal property to teens are known as their safe space. Just like we as adults don't like people snooping or showing lack of respect to our spaces and belongings. Your teen feels that very same way. I hope this helped and that you were able to improve your relationship with your teen. If you enjoyed part 1 of this series, then you'll enjoy part 2 for more tips. Please like this video and follow our page for the latest parenting tips and free online parenting classes.